Anyang! It's haul time! This is our haul from the convenience store. 3 giant bottles of water. Kasi akala ko buy 1 take 1. Buy 2 take 1 pala. So, tatlo sila. We have, I need to eat this now. Samangko red bean ice cream. Fresh milk this time. Parang ito naman yung ginamit sa coffee shop kanina. So, I think masarap. Kimbap. This chocolate here in Vietnam, apparently they're famous. On to the mga pinamili ko kanina sa malls kasi ang init. Malls because madami ako pinasukan. We have my replenishment of my micellar water and my Sikap Plus Balm. Moisturizer. This was on sale. Sunblock. My toothpaste. And another one kasi apparently this was on sale at Watson. So, sana doon na lang ako bumili kasi hindi ito nakiba to. Mas mahal to. The Starbucks mug that whenever I go to a different country, I buy this specific mug. I'm not gonna open it. Bye!